Welcome to the Schneider Electric Final Distribution Tests Laboratory, ILAC certified since 1994. In S-Lab, we understand quality as a principle and brand commitment. Next, we present all of the tests and services for engineering and product certification we offer in our facilities and increasing innovation and implementation in new processes. Our main competence is earth leakage circuit breaker technologies, arc fault detection devices, miniature circuit breakers and switches. In our laboratory, we have several different types of tests divided in 4 main areas: electromagnetic compatibility tests and arc fault detection devices, mechanics, climatic and corrosion tests, power tests.
We have the ability to experience and the technical means to do a huge variety of tests for several standards and low voltage products. Power sources from a few milliamps up to 500 amps, short circuit tests up to 20,000 amps, climatic and thermal chambers from 70 degrees under zero up to 300 degrees, mechanical tests, EMC tests, rusting tests, climatic tests, fire tests, and a lot of many other tests required for certification and engineering purposes.
Electromagnetic compatibility tests and arc fault detection devices. These tests are according to IEC-EN standards and with continuous improvement for verification and validation tests, mainly according to IEC-EN 61543 standard. Inside this area, we can find all the tools needed to perform IEC-EN 62606 standard for the arc fault detection device and IEC-EN 61008 and 61009 for residual current devices. These tests contain unwanted tripping, overvoltage, 1.2/50 microseconds, and overcurrent 8/20 microseconds, dielectric strength up to 5 kilovolts, immunity, radiated, inducted, conducted, and electrostatic discharges.
ILAC certified since 1985. Our main competencies are final distribution and low voltage products, including circuit breakers, residual current devices, and arc fault detection device.
Mechanics. This area contains vibration tests, shock and impact tests, traction and rotation tests according to IEC-EN 60947 standard, blow wire tests according to IEC 60695, and tests carried out on screws and connection terminals. Climate and corrosion. In our facilities, we also do salt spray tests for parts and assembled products, chlorine tests, humidity and damp tests from -70 degrees Celsius up to 300 degrees Celsius, temperature rise and thermographic analysis. Power. This area comprises mechanical and electrical endurance up to 500 volts at 125 amps, short circuit tests up to 15 kiloamps, under 440 volts, and finally, the operating characteristics tests under thermal conditions from -70 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius for residual current devices and differential chains. In S-Lab, we are aware of the importance of the implementation of our processes. For this reason, we have the most prestigious national and international certifications that guarantee our work for over 20 years. In S-Lab, we have made our priorities commitments, competitive costs, delivery times, and high quality. S-Lab, evolving.